Alright, so I'm gonna...
Wait, hang on. We probably shouldn't be standing right here if you're about to drop.
Alright, so we're gonna get this right here and some electrical tape. So the idea is we're gonna have the fidget spinner connect to this, and then when we fly it, when we get ready to drop it, we'll move the drone back and this thing will fall off from about 400 feet in the air. So yeah, let's go ahead and tape it down. Alright, I think that's a good enough tape job. And then
Yeah, that's not going there.
Yeah.
This thing, I don't know, can it hold a spinner up there sturdy?
We're gonna find out. Yeah, so the idea is that the drone is gonna be flying, and you know, we're gonna send it back and it's gonna knock it off. So
let's go test it.
Let's go test it. I'm gonna take off, and then I'm gonna put the fidget spinner on there and then carry it up to about 400 feet. We're calibrated, we're ready to go. Okay. Ready?
That's good.
Okay. We're good. Alright, so we're at 393 feet, which is pretty close to 400 feet. It won't let me fly any higher, but I'm gonna move backwards and forwards until I get this fidget spinner off. Alright, so I'm gonna...
Wait, hang on. We probably shouldn't be standing right here if you're about to drop this thing. Did you just drop it?
I heard something. I heard something.
I did too. Check the camera and see if it's still on there.
I can't. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it, I'm gonna do it one more time.
Whatever it was, hit like right here.
Well, I'm gonna bring it down and see if the fidget spinner isn't still on there.
Okay.
Because if it isn't on there, we know it's somewhere. Yeah, but I just heard thump.
Yeah, I heard a thump. Yeah, it's off.
Alright, so now we gotta find the drone, or the fidget spinner. So we were standing right here.
Dang it, man. I heard something back this way.
Back over here?
Yeah.
Or here, you look over there and I'll look over here. Yeah, because if we don't find it now, the lawnmower will find it. Jackson, you want to go up and review the footage?
No, we should have done before we dropped it.
What?
You know like those little ring lights that you put on?
Yeah.
You should have attached one of those to it.
Here, you want to go up to the house and...
Yeah, it's probably our best bet.
Okay. Okay, so we just got done watching the footage, and wow, that thing just sailed.
Remember about where?
It's somewhere right over here. That was probably one of the coolest things I've ever seen.
Yeah, I know.
Like, it's somewhere right up here.
Maybe it came on this one.
Maybe.
Because I watched it, dude. That was awesome.
The way that thing tumbled.
Dude, I'm happy we got that shot.
So what I'm thinking is it's in line with this tree up here. What's up? What's up, dog? It's right in line with this tree up here and about 10 yards just east of it, or west of it. So as I was editing, I measured how long it took for the fidget spinner to drop. and it was 2.35 seconds, and the drone was at 393 feet, and that adds up to 114 miles an hour, which is insane. So I don't know, like 114 miles an hour. I mean, that is really just crazy. But anyway, back to the video. I'm saying it's 10 yards in front of this tree over here.
Yeah, I know. Found it.
You did? Hold on. Dang.
Sweet.
Took forever to find this thing.
Still works.
Still freaking works.
Sweet.
Thank you guys for watching. This has been Fidget Spinner dropped from 400 feet in the air.
Leave a like, subscribe on both of our channels, and we'll see you all in the next video.
Peace.